Making this video and hopefully show off the hidden potential of RF signal over HDMI and even composite and component cables. Let me just show you this. So I'm using a original Super Nintendo running Donkey Kong Country. So I got two TVs here. I'm running a 2002 Apex, I believe it's a PH 2025 model, and I'm running a 1983 Zenith Space Command, and it is, well, let's just get down to it. For some reason, when you play RF on televisions, modern televisions or old televisions, you get lots of visual noise, right? That you see, like there's static on the screen, visual static on the screen. But when you play RF on this old TV, it's very crisp and beautiful. I do not know why this 1983 TV is putting out such high detail out of an RF signal. It's amazing. This is running composite cable running out of the Super Nintendo, and composite cable is supposed to be much clearer than RF, unless that's how the reputation goes. But look at this. This isn't clear. Look how much color is bleeding off this board here, this boogie board. Look at this one. Super solid colors all the way. Now it's very hard to film these things. They're so bright. And yeah, they're just very notoriously hard to film, but man, with the naked eye, I've never seen the game look like this before. Look at the detail on the cave. Look at that. It doesn't look like that over here. It doesn't look anything like that. It's so sharp. Let me mess with the sharpness. Look how it changes everything when I mess with that. Look at that major change. That's starting to look more like the composite now. Now look at this though. See that? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at this. This is what they look like here. A bunch of splotchy messes. Now, you might think that, hey, you know, oh, sorry. You might think that, hey, just crank up that sharpness, you know. But look at this. It doesn't work like that. Let me crank up the sharpness all the way. Whoop, that's not it. But look, it does not clean that up. It's maxed out. That doesn't look good at all. Now look at this. Look at the RF signal. I'm cranking the knob a little bit here. Look at that. Look at the visual fidelity that's possible out of this thing. This thing is crazy. They look completely different. This looks like it's HD. This is true high definition. Now look over here. For a lark, now this is original hardware. Now for a lark, I busted out this thing, the oh, it's so dark. My lighting is so bad. The Super Nintendo Classic Edition. Now I highly don't recommend these myself. The speedrun community has confirmed how much lag these things have. I didn't pre-look that up to confirm what it was for you, but it was something around 4 or 5 frames of lag that this thing is inherited with. Now that adds with whatever lag your HD monitor has, so I do not recommend this product, but it does have an HDMI 1080p visual output, and for a lark, I put Donkey Kong Country playing out of it, and look how fucking terrible they look. Look at that. This game is not made to look this terrible. It is so ugly coming out of this console. I can't even believe they released it. It almost looks cleaner coming out of the GoPro screen, but God, it's hideous. I can't believe they released this. Oh my God, look at those colors. Unbelievable. Absolute trash. Now look at the original hardware. This is on the composite cable, 2002 Apex monitor. Wow. That looks so much better than that did, hey? Just doing a comparison. Composite, HDMI, and then the 1983 RF television. RF only. Surpasses both of them. Oh my God, it's impossible to film this. Let me try futzing with the picture. Let me darken it. There. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It looks so beautiful. Let me show you something. Now let's go to Funky Flights. I just want to show you the level of detail that I'm witnessing from this thing. I'm gonna have to play a little. I just want to say, like, I can't film input delay, but this thing is got to be one of the most responsive TVs I've ever seen. Look at the level of detail here. It's insane. Let's see if I can crank down this TV brightness to try to view it a little better. Oh my God, it's just making it so dark. Look at this. It looks amazing. I've never seen it look like this before. So much better. Sorry, I'm futzing. Now look at this. Hold up. Okay. Play my favorite stage. You can see this is way over dark now. I can't see anything coming out of this. So I'm going to put that back to normal. About there. Wow, it looks so much better here. Now I made this one dark. There we go. Really bring out those blacks a little more. The different shading in the background. It looks amazing. Now look at this. I'll see if I can play this with one hand. So look at the cart track. Look at what that track looks like moving. Look at that. Look at that scrolling speed. Look what that looks like over here. It doesn't look like that. It looks all fuzzy and stuff, right? This is composite cable. Let me try it again. Hold up. Look at how that looks refreshing. Look at that. Oh my God, I need help. Okay, look at this. See that scrolling? I'll show again before I game over here. There, you see that scrolling? It's amazing looking. It does not look anything like that over here. You don't even see the depth of like the track. Like you're seeing like detail like I've never seen before. Look at that. Look at that. It doesn't look anything like it. Doesn't look anything like that. Now look at this. Here's the creme de la creme. Oh my god, it looks so much different. So this stage, this world, is notoriously really dark. And you can't see much detail in it, right? But when you look over here, you see tons of detail. You can see the bump mapping of the textures. Look at that. I've never seen it look like that before. Look at this. Let me show you the ice stage. It's so pretty. Look at this. That's what it looks like on Composite. Look at that. It doesn't look similar at all. Very interesting stuff. Now, I have no idea how well this is looking coming out of the GoPro footage, because on the GoPro footage you definitely see more visual artifacts than you see with the naked eye, but yeah, there it is. Very interesting stuff. The RF television is putting out a much more powerful, tighter, and faster image than this thing with composite cable. Much better. It does not look the same at all. I'm witnessing a lot of these games differently for the first time these days through this television.